Morning, everyone. Today's third day of July. We're looking at Nasdaq still around all-time highs here. Yesterday was a great day. If you followed my outlook, prices taken liquidity on both sides of the range. Hope we made some money yesterday. Now let's look at price action into this day. First of all, I strongly encourage you not to trade today. If you do, be really careful. And today is an FP day. A lot of news. It's the day before 4th of July celebrations, and market will be closed. So take care and don't lose the money you made so far. Now let's look at the market. So we have a new range here formed by this weak block and this high. Now if we look at where we are now, price is trading inside this range on the 4-hour, and it's trading into this order block, right? So I have as a target here, at least for now, I don't see any bearish situation here on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, drawn liquidity is this high, and let's mark it as such. For our drawn liquidity. Now, if I go to the 15 minutes chart, situation might be a bit different. We have we have the Asia range, which is not extensive at all. We measure it. Asia range is 55 points, right? So and from here, from the current price, the drawn liquidity, another 48. That would be consistent with a move in London, right? But looking at this price action, I would say that our range here, the impulse is this one. And it's actually easier to spot it on the 4-hour. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's go. This is my range I'm working with. This candle closed above this high with its body, but not very conclusively. This is my 15-minute impulse, in my opinion, because this is where we had the market structure shift. This is a big old breaker here. So ideally, price would continue to this 4-hour draw on liquidity. On the 4-hour, the bearish scenario is that price comes down from this level. After taking this level, price come down into equilibrium. It comes down here into this gap, the retest the breaker and goes up, right? And that would be congruent with the price coming down into equilibrium of the range. Who knows? That's a possibility. Another possibility is that price comes down into this range and continues to this draw. And if we look at that on the 15-minute chart, that could be a possibility. We do have this weak block taking liquidity here. So where is that? Got them. Not that one. There it is. So liquidity here has been taken by this candle. And we have had the market structure shift here. This candle retests the breaker. And we're off to the races. But given that it's the day before NFP, FNFP today, I'm not sure. We will see. This is a good close above. Bullish order flow. Reaction from the daily, from the midnight open here. Let's see. For this to be invalidated as a short-term target in this London session, I would want price to, I want to see price invert here underneath this level, previous day high. Price to come down, invert a lot of this, and the target would be Asia low, right? But if it takes Asia low, it will take this as well. All of this liquidity here. I don't see price stopping. Takes this, it takes this, and then probably coming down into equilibrium, as I said. But for now, there's no sign of a bearish scenario here. Just be mindful of it. Okay. So that's it. 4 hour draw is there. We're in this 15-minute impulse. Looks bullish to me. Take care. As I said, be careful. If you made money this week, better stay away, in my opinion. Bye for now.